Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have 1,000 interns ready to help you with your writing tasks? ChatGPT is the first step towards that future. There are so many people who have heard of ChatGPT but don't really know how to use it effectively for writing. I will show you how to use ChatGPT and practical, hands-on, real-life examples with great prompts. Let's get started. Let's say you want to produce something out of the box, not a typical, boring essay, but something fresh. First, we will condition ChatGPT to produce counterintuitive and elegant articulations for out-of-box thinking. Then we will define our parameters and create an outline for our essay. Let's write an article about solving climate change. If you want to keep it simple, just use this prompt instead. Act as an essay writer. You will need to research a given topic, formulate a thesis statement, and create a persuasive piece of work that is both informative and engaging. My first request is, I need help with writing a persuasive essay about the importance of gender equality. We have a great article on the topic. Now, what we need is a great eye-catching title. We can use prompt, list hookable headline ideas for this article. Ask any great writer, and they will all tell you. Greatness in writing comes from understanding perspectives and ability to immerse your audience. To achieve this, you must be able to think from someone else's point of view. And second underappreciated element in writing is emotional response. Which emotion is triggered when you read an article? How can we incorporate perspective and emotion element in our prompts while writing with ChatGPT? Act as a CEO of a giant venture capital with really busy schedule. I need a cold email that will make you excited about my new product. A headset allows you to telepathically talk to people. And consider investing. You can adjust parameters in the prompt template to suit your needs. The type of text can be a blog post, Twitter thread, or other. If you are writing fiction, this method can be great to understand other character perspectives. If you like these ChatGPT tips, you can consider subscribing to the channel. It would be a great happiness for me. Thank you. Another great way to excel as a writer is getting feedback from other writers or readers. This includes ChatGPT as well. I will show you how you can get feedback from ChatGPT and improve your writing. Act as an essay writer with 20 years of experience. Now your task is to give me the best advice and feedback about articles I wrote. Here's my first article. If you are just starting to research a topic and forming your own opinion before writing about it objectively, here's a great prompt. Act as a debate coach. Stimulate a fierce debate about remote working between two teams. Pick the winner in the end and explain your arguments of picking that team. Lastly, I will show you how to find great article ideas based on your top performing posts. Here are my best performing articles. Can you give me 10 more ideas in variety similar to these? Keep the ideas diverse. If you want to learn more about how to use ChatGPT, you can click on here. Thank you for watching.